Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I picked up one of these little guys, the D1 Mini Pro V.2. Comes with these two little doohickeys here. You have your micro USB here, your reset. This here is a connection for a lithium battery, 3.7 volt. As you can see, the plus symbol here on the left. Over here is your I2C hookup. And your hookup, like I said, for the 3.7 volt. It has your built-on Wi-Fi 2.4. Then your external Wi-Fi antenna connector. Just remember to move the 0 ohm link from where it's at there till over here where that little copper pad is. So in order for the this connection to work, you have to move that 0 ohm link over. So you can see the connections on it. Looks like a nice little board. I haven't put anything on it yet, but right there's the back of it. This here is the D1 Mini Pro version 1.1. So it's kind of the same idea and stuff with the external antenna and the ceramic onboard antenna. As you can see, I went ahead and moved the 0 ohm link for this one. So, but we're not worrying about that. So I just figured I'd share a video of what this thing looks like, and I mean, obviously if you compare the size of it with the 1.1, you can see a little bit of a difference. So not too bad, but we're going to play around with this one and see what all we can do. So I'll throw a link in the description to my website that'll have this video, and I'll take a couple pictures of this, whatnot, maybe try to pull up a schematic on it. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.